I will start putting it in the foil. This is the foil. I will start putting it there and put it in the pan. So after that, I will put hot water and put everything in the oven. So stay tuned. Wait for that. Guys, let me show you how I normally put it inside the foil. Just open it like this. Put it inside there. Are you seeing that? Like 3 or 4 spoons. See the spoon I'm using? That's the Okpa spoon. So after that, bend the bottom of it, then fold it like this. Close the mouth very well so that it will not come out from there. Do you see that? Do you see how smooth and neat it look? Then you put it here. Do you see others? See that? Right. So let me finish it up, okay? I'm coming back. Hi guys, I'm already done putting all this in the foil. See that? All done. So next, you're gonna put hot water inside it. Hot water. Just put it like half of the pan. It's okay. Then cover it with foil. Okay. So after cover it all, just take it like this and put it in what? In the oven. So one tip I want you guys to know about baking the pie in the Okpa in the oven. Just press the 350 degree for 2 hours. Just 2 hours. The Okpa is done. Okay? Not more than 2 hours. 350 degree, 2 hours. That is it. Okay? Now the oven is at my back. I'm gonna transfer it there. Okay? Wait and see the outcome. It's so yummy. Enjoy it. Yes, so guys, your Okpa is ready. Let's enjoy that. Do you see that? It's already come out from the oven. See how it look? So nice. So just open it and enjoy the Okpa. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and share. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.